Hello guys, I'm Priyasha and welcome back to PitchGround. Today we are introducing you to SynchroWork. It's a project management tool designed for freelancers, agencies to manage their workload without the need for multiple tools and platforms. With SynchroWork, you can effortlessly manage clients, teams, invoices and payments from a single platform, saving you more than 90 hours a month. And with the Clients app, your clients can keep track of project status, roadmaps, invoices, and payments. The app also features a to-do list, team management, and statistics tracking, making it an all-in-one solution for freelancers and agencies. Additionally, the two-way sync process keeps clients updated and reduces hassle. So after you log in, this will be your dashboard. The first three options we can see are active projects, collected payments, and pending payment. There is a sales trained graph as well, which will look something like this. Okay, so the sales trained graph will look something like this. You can see the graph for the duration of 1 month, 6 months, or 1 year. Next up, you can create a to-do list from here. Click on this add button and then write the task name, like write in the description you want and select the due date. Then click on save. As soon as you click on save, you can see it here. And once you are done, if you click on this check button, it will be gone. Let me show you like this. This is marked as complete. This section is for your ongoing projects. You can monitor your projects from here. If you want to create a new project, then click on this. Write the due dates, the status, the project name, choose the client, and then you have project budget, choose project type, choose team members. In this section, you can create a checklist like this. And one by one, as you are finishing the task, you can just check it from here. It's as simple as this. Just click on save. So in this section, if you are not choosing any client, then you will not be able to save this. Okay. So now I'll show you how to add clients. For that, you can see this client section here. Click on this. And this is the simple three-step process. First one is invite your client to register in SynchroWork Clients app. The second is add your first client and then you can create your first project. So for adding a client, you need to go to this client section. Here for adding your clients, they will have to download the application, the SynchroWork application, and from there they need to log in with their email ID and they'll get a OTP and they'll be added here. Once they are done with the registration process through the SynchroWork app, so you can see the names here and you can add them to any project you want. For adding a new client, you can click on here. Just write the email IDs here and you can send the invite. So now again, I'll show you how to create a project from this section. Click on here and you can see all the projects you have. You can create a new project from create new section. And this is the same page that I've already showed you. Now you can choose your client from here as you have already added the clients. Select the project types, select the resources, and then there is due dates, checklists, etc. Next step is when the project has been created. You can click this view section and you can see all the details. Let's see an example. Click on this view and you can see the due dates, the status which is in progress right now, the project name, the client name, the project budget and the checklist as well. And here you can see two are already done and one is left. So there is no back and forth emailing or updating status now and then. Everything is just right in front of you. Your clients exactly can see what has been done, what is yet to be done, and what are the status. Okay, so SynchroWork actually makes the process very simple. Here the next option we have is invoices. You can create a new invoice for this particular project. Click on new invoice. This is the invoice number. This can be of any pattern, but make sure the last two digits are numeric numbers. So what are the options we have? It's a from, then to. If you click on this to, you can select the receiver's name. Select the client name. Once you click on the client name, the company name and their email ID will automatically be added. Select their country from here. You can add their phone number and their address and click on save. Next, you can select the invoice date, then the due date and write the item name and description, then the quantity and their rate. You can add another category as well. From this section, you can add as many categories as you want, like the items. Then you can edit it from here or you can delete. Again, I'm clicking on add. So this is your invoice that has been created. And you can see this is the invoice summary that they are giving you automatically. Now this is the tax percentage which is coming from the settings section that I'll show you in a bit. You can add any invoice note here as well. In this section we have some invoice settings like the language, the currency. As you choose this currency, it will automatically be changed. And then the project. You can change the project type from here. And once you're done with all the settings, just click on Create Invoice. So as you can see, with SynchroWork, both freelancers and agencies can centralize project updates and streamline communication, saving time and improving client satisfaction. So this is the whole project management section. You can see your active projects here, all the completed projects here, etc. The next section is invoices. The way I just showed you, you can create the invoice like this, going to a particular project, or you can generate from here as well. The same page will appear. Other than that, all the invoices you can see here. The invoice number, due date, what is the project name, what are the clients, their amount, status, and view. So you can see this pending option here. So you can navigate what has been paid, what is pending, etc. If you click on this view, you can see their invoices. So we have two options for invoices, like download as PDF or the invoice link. If you want to send to your client, you can download it, or you can just copy and paste this link and you can send through WhatsApp, email, anything you want. Here is the stat for better understanding for your pending payments and your collected payments. The next option we have is team. You can invite your team members from here. Click on this add resource, write their names, their emails and their designation, and just click on save. Once you save, you can see their names like this. These are their emails and these are the designations. You can edit anytime you want from here and click on update. And the last option is settings. Here you can edit your business profiles like your business name, PAN number, address and logo. And once you update, click on save. These are the direct payments like your UPI address. And then there is tax rule, what I was talking about. From here, you can select a fixed tax rate, which will be implemented to all the invoices that you will create. If it's 18%, 9%, you can even create the tax percentage from here. Just write the title and the tax percentage and click on add. So you can customize it the way you want. And here you can write your UPI address. The clients can pay directly through their, any UPI app. Plus, the tool allows for easy payment processing by allowing clients to pay directly through the app using your UPI address. Yeah, so that's the agency portal that we have currently. So now, don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your project management and save time and money with SynchroWork. Get the lifetime deal now exclusively at PitchGround.com. Click the link in the description box below to get started. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and tips on how to improve your business productivity. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.